Hi, this is Ken with Meridian Fence. We're here in North End Boise to show off a fence replacement we did earlier this year. Customer had an older fence, wanted to do a picture frame cedar style fence with steel posts. As you can see, we can make this happen with steel posts. We'll show you the inside here shortly, but this is what we call picture frame. So you have a top and bottom trim, number 2 cedar 3/4 inch picket, and obviously this is a gate. We do end up using 3x3 iron gates posts. The posts we'll show you here later don't necessarily support a gate, so we convert it to these black ones, which I think actually looks really nice. Alright, so here we have the post master. Just want to kind of show this. This is a steel post. It allows us to do the depth that is required from a picture frame or board on board style fence. As you can see, it is steel. We always use 3 rails, and then also cover the post so you don't even know it's there when you get on a different angle. Alright, here on the inside you can see how we do our gate frames. We actually use a square tube iron frame. It makes it more rigid, a lot less sagging, obviously with the heavier duty posts as well. You can see that these things swing really nice and stay solid.